Now the second MCQ is, in an electron microscope, the electrons are accelerated by voltage of 14 kilovolt. If voltage is changed to 224 kilovolt, then the de Broglie wavelength associated with the electrons would. Four options are there, whether it is increased by 2 times or decreased by 2 times, or whether it is decreased by 4 times or increased by 4 times. We have to find out. Now first, what are the given quantities I will write. So the accelerating voltage V1 is equal to 14 kilovolt. So this is equal to what? 14,000 volt. The accelerating voltage V2 is equal to how much? 224. So this is 224 kilovolt. So this is equal to 224,000 volt. Okay, students. Now the de Broglie wavelength is inversely proportional to what? Square root of V. This we have derived in the theory. Therefore, lambda 1 is proportional to 1 by square root of V1, and simultaneously for lambda 2 it must be proportional to 1 divided by square root of V2. Okay, therefore I take the ratio. So lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. So this must be equal to what? Square root of what? V1 divided by V2. So square root of V1 by V2. So this is now equal to what? Square root of. Now you substitute the values of V1 and V2. 14,000. So this is 14,000 divided by 224,000. So these three zeros get cancelled. So what is remaining is, this is equal to square root of 14 divided by 224. Okay, therefore lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to, see here, lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to square root of 14 divided by square root means 24, 224. Okay, so both are divisible by 7, is it not? So 7 2s are 14. So I can write this as what? This is 7 2s are 14 divided by 224 is also divisible by 7. So in 22, 7 3s are 21. The remainder 1 and 4 will make 14. Again 7 2s are 14. So this is now equal to square root of 2 divided by 32. 16 2s are 32. Therefore I can rewrite this as what? 1 divided by 16. So root 16 is 4. Okay. Or we get what? Lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Or lambda 2, okay, or lambda 2 is equal to what? Lambda 1 divided by 4. So lambda 2 is what? The wavelength associated with the electron by an accelerating potential of 224 kilovolt. So at this voltage you find that the wavelength is found to be 1/4 of lambda 1. That means that the wavelength decreases. Therefore, which of these options should be correct here? C option, decreases by 4 times. Okay, therefore lambda decreases. Okay, lambda decreases by 4 times. So which is the option? A or B or C or D? Means C is the correct option. So option C is correct. Have you understood? Okay, we will see the third one now.